Hello all, today I'm going to explain a simple project using LCD1602 with I2C in Arduino. The I2C interface simplifies the wiring, making it easier to display the information. The component needed are Arduino Uno LCD1602 with I2C module jumper wires. The wiring setups are: this one contains a VCC which goes to 5 volt on the Arduino, and GND on the I2C module to GND on the Arduino, SDA on the I2C module to SDA in the Arduino, and SCL on the I2C module goes to SCL on the Arduino. The required codes are: import wire library liquid crystal underscore I2C library, and we need to set up the size. So this one I'm using is a 16 character 2 row LCD. So I have given 16,2, and the address for this is 0 into 27. In the setup, I'm initializing the LCD and the backlight for the LCD. And in the loop, so the backlight is on, clear, the screen is clear, and on the position, so the starting position is 0 by 0, and here I'm printing happy birthday, giving a delay of 2000, and then clearing the screen, and again setting up the position from 0 to 1, so that goes into the second row, and here I'm printing mummy and delaying 2000. That's it. Thanks for watching my video.